Welcome here, my friends. As you may know about what I am going to present in this clip from thumbnail, so without further ado, let's dive in it. Creativity is often viewed as a positive trait in today's society, but many of us struggle to access our creative sides. We all have inner demons and fears that can prevent us from expressing ourselves creatively, but the good news is that it doesn't have to be this way. With proper guidance and the right techniques, anyone can conquer their inner demons and become more creative. Here we briefly present 5 steps to getting started. 1. Acknowledge your fears. The first step towards unlocking your creative potential is to acknowledge any fears or doubts you may have. This can be difficult, as it requires you to confront the uncomfortable truths about yourself. However, it is an important step in the process, as it allows you to identify and address any underlying issues that may be holding you back. 2. Set clear goals. Once you have identified your fears and doubts, it is time to set some clear goals. Think about what you want to achieve and set realistic goals for yourself. This will help you focus your energy and ensure that you are making progress towards your creative goals. 3. Take action. Taking action is an essential part of the creative process. Whether it's writing, painting, or playing an instrument, it's important to take the time to do the work. This will help you stay motivated and will give you the opportunity to learn from your mistakes. 4. Surround yourself with support. Creativity can be a lonely process, so it's important to surround yourself with supportive people. This could be friends, family, or even a professional mentor. Having a support system in place can help you stay motivated and provide you with valuable feedback. 5. Celebrate your successes. Finally, it's important to celebrate your successes. This doesn't have to be a big thing. Even the smallest accomplishments should be acknowledged and appreciated. Doing this will help you stay motivated and will give you the confidence to keep pushing forward. In conclusion, by following these 5 steps, you can conquer your inner fears and demons and unlock your creative potential. It's important to remember that creativity is a process, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. With patience and perseverance, you can achieve your creative goals. Hope you like this short piece of life skill topic. If your answer isn't positive, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.